Hey guys, I am back on site today and I'll show you what we're doing when I return on the Eric McNeal Be Free Show.
Black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
Hey guys, welcome. You've just discovered the Eric McNeal Be Free Show, where it's all about being financially independent, responsible for self, enjoying life, and empowering others. Free. So I'm actually back on site here, and I'm at our entrance gate. So, yep. So we have finally got the gates in. So let me flip the camera and show you what we got going on. Yeah. So this is the entrance, as you have seen on previous videos. So the guys just brought the gates here, so you can see they're getting ready to install these over the next today and tomorrow. So yeah, so here's the gates they will be installing. So these pieces will go where?
Yeah, for the wall designs.
Okay, so how far down?
Yes.
So down this stretch?
Yes.
Okay.
Second one, all out.
Very good.
Yes.
And it will be finished by tomorrow also?
Yeah, by tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Yep, so guys, this is the gate we've been waiting for put at the entrance. So it says that they will be finished by tomorrow. So, yep. So it will be a bit more secure in here. So we've had problems with people just coming in and out, so this will make it a bit more secure. So yeah. And you guys are located where? Where's your
Ashoma.
Ashama?
Ashoma.
Okay. Now where's not Ashima?
No Ashama. Ashoma. Abuba Ashoma.
Okay, how far is that from here? I don't think I know it.
It's close to Medina.
It's close to Medina.
Yes, Legon Hills.
Okay, yeah, Legon Hills.
Yes.
I know. Okay, very good. Okay. Very good. And somebody wants to contact you about a gate. What is how should they contact you? What's your phone number?
Yes, I have everything on my.
Okay, so you send it to me and I will put it on the video. Very good. All right, much appreciated. All right, guys. So yeah, so that's the gate. I think we have a couple other things going on here. We just drilled a borehole for Pocket B, so let's go back here and take a look at that right quick. So we are in Pocket A now, and yeah, so they are removing the water that's in the foundation that was dug. So is the pump not working? Was it just hasn't been used in a long time, so you didn't know? So how long will it take doing it like this? Okay. So, Mr. Jonathan, what's wrong with the pump? Okay. Okay. So where's the borehole?
The borehole is up there.
Okay.
So
Let's walk. Yeah, okay. I don't need my boots, do I? It's dry. Okay. I got my boots if I need to get them. But Okay, I see.
You cross over.
Yep, yep. That was good. So we got two more foundations dug?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, very good. How long did it take them?
Take them almost 4 hours.
About 4 hours. Okay. Yeah, I saw the truck yesterday. Yeah, so they have to come in and put the pumps in, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
And the drawing is in front of this plot.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Here on the drawing.
Yep.
On the map.
Uh-huh. In the corner of the lot.
That is the plot there.
Yep. Okay. Very good. Yep. All right. Yep, that's what I wanted to see. All right, guys. So, yeah, I just wanted him to show me the borehole that was dug yesterday. And, yeah, so you see that we are getting things done and pocket bead now, starting to look good. So, yeah. Hear the birds. Yep. So yeah, everything is looking good. I'm gonna start charging you guys for making money off my wood.
Oh no, this is not your wood. It's coming from behind.
Where's that wood coming from?
It's coming from Assemblyman's farm.
I need to talk to Assemblyman. You know, guys, they be selling wood, and I don't say nothing because they be trying to make their extra coins, and it's not worth squabbling over. So I just let them cut it, and they sell it to make extra money. It's fine. So yeah. So at any rate, guys, we are busy out here, and yeah, trying to get things done. Little grass. Okay. Say again.
You're going to cross the water there.
Oh, I'll cross the water if I go there, so I need to go this way. Okay, very good. Yeah, I don't have my boots on. All right, guys, so that's it for the day. We are all right. Thanks, Mr. Jonathan.
Thank you too.
Have
a nice day.
All right, you do the same. Yep, guys, so we are on it. Everybody is going at it. I have to get up here for a meeting, and everything is looking good here. So yeah. So if you like what we're talking about, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, give me your feedback. Let me know what you think about the progress that you see. And of course, if you haven't already done so, please hit our website, www.migratingcoachcrossing.com, and you can still take advantage of our half-price home promo. It is still going on. We've extended it, so you can still take advantage of it. And you can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Eric McNeal is free. And as always, Ooorahhh Uhuru. Now be free. Here are our rabbits, just chilling out. These are the migrating Ooorahhh crossing rabbits here. And they are just chilling today. So, yeah. Hey, Mr. Rabbit. How are you? How are you? How are you guys? How are you guys?